13 कंपेटिटर्स, 6 हफ्तों की इंटेंस कंपटीशन, 2 judges. That's how perfect we want that serve to be. And the hunt for that one legacy drink. Welcome to the Bacardi Music Series Legacy Competition, mixed by MTV. I'm Nikhil Chinappa, and it feels great to be here in Goa. We're at the Legacy home at the Beach Shack, and we're looking for the next legacy drink from India, and also one of India's finest mixologists who's going to make that drink. Let's see how that selection process went. The selection procedure was carried out in Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. After auditioning hundreds of bartenders in these places, we shortlisted 13, out of which 1 would make it to the global finale. This shortlisting was done by our expert mixologist, Dmitry Lizinska.
My name is Dmitry Lizinska. I'm from France. I'm a beverage consultant. It started 20 years ago. I was very curious about the nightlife, and how it operated. So I moved to London. London at that time was the renaissance of cocktails. So I moved to London at the right time. I traveled around the world. I was very lucky to be able, to start my quest for interesting ingredients. Firstly, a bartender today should see himself or herself as a host. People will forget who you are. People would forget what you told them, but people will never forget how you made them feel. It brings a bigger point to the world of drinking out here. It's not about drinking more, but it's about drinking better.
Guys, this is Dmitry Lizinska. He's an expert mixologist and perfectly understands the world that our bartending contenders live in. He's going to evaluate them, mentor them, and of course, judge them as well in this competition. Dimi, welcome to the show.
Thank you, it's great to be here.
This is a legacy competition, but what exactly is a legacy drink?
A legacy, it's a drink which has tasted the test of time. If you look at the Cuba Libre, if you look at the mojitos, the daiquiris, those cocktails have been there for over a century now. And what we're looking for a cocktail that's going to stand the same amount of time, even more.
What criteria are you going to be judging them on?
A number of things. You see, firstly and most importantly, the taste of the cocktail. You see, the balance, the creativity behind it, the texture, the technique in how it's being done, the presentation, how they convey their story. You see, all these are points that I'm going to be quite technical about.
Don't mess with Dimi, that's the bottom line. There are 12 boys and 1 girl. Let's go meet them.
My name is Chong. I work in New Delhi in a bar called PCO. Well, when I was young, I never thought that I would be a bartender. So I wanted to become a chef. The name of my legacy drink is Viajero, which in Spanish means a traveler. I would like this cocktail to travel around the world and make the name of India.
मेरा नाम अमित श्रेष्ठ है और मैं एक छोटे से प्लेस रौलकेला से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं जहाँ काम करता हूँ उसका नाम है लीला पैलेस बैंगलोर। सेकेंड ईयर पे मेरा एक फ्रेंड था अक्षय। हम लोग जो आउटडोर कैटरिंग्स वगैरह होते थे, एक 150 रुपये के लिए, एक 300 रुपये के लिए हम लोग चल जाते थे। तो उसी समय मेरे अंदर थोड़ा इंस्पिरेशन जागा कि यस आई कैन डू समथिंग बिहाइंड द बार। माय लेगेसी ड्रिंक नेम इज़ द डार्क नाइट।
My name is Guru Prashant and I come from central region of Karnataka, and I do take care of high alto launch in terms of beverages and cocktails. Dad wanted to be an engineer. At the same time, the Three Idiot movie came out and I said, Papa, बनूंगा तो मैं बहुत गंदा engineer बन सकता हूँ. So I never gave up. The legacy drink name is Fashion Prohibition, which has been inspired by Mr. Facundo Bacardi's company.
My name is Ashwini and I am basically from Haryana. शहर बेशक ही छोटा हो बट लोगों के सपने बहुत बड़े हैं। द ड्रिंक ऑफ माई लेगेसी कॉकटेल इज FA43। FA means Facundo Amalia. Facundo was the guy who created the finest rum in this world. And Amalia was the lady who supported Facundo in each and every step of life. They got married in 1843. When I'm dealing with my guest, then I always give the smile. That's my main weapon to kill the guest.
My name is Jay. I've come from Bangalore. I work for, it's called a Big Blue Sky. I call myself a liquid chef. My legacy cocktail, which I innovated, is Invisible Pride. I come out with a fantastic concoction with lovely rum, guava, elder, and rosemary.
I'm Krishnaz Raghina. I'm from Pune, working at the Flying Saucer Sky Bar, Pune. It all starts from home. Daddy's bar is always open. Every time there were parties, I was always given the bar to mix drinks, play around with them. You know, when a man can't give you a solution, they always turn to a woman because a woman definitely has a solution.
मेरा नाम ब्रिजेश व्यास है और मैं मुंबई का रहने वाला हूँ। तो व्यास आप समझ ही सकते हैं क्या, व्यास मतलब पंडित। जहाँ मेरी फैमिली एक तरफ पंडित होके और मैं बार्टेंडिंग इंडस्ट्री में हूँ। और मेरे मॉम डैड ने मुझे आज तक बहुत सपोर्ट किया है। The name of my legacy drink is called Will and Way.
I am Agam Tej Singh Puri. मेरी लेगेसी ड्रिंक का नाम है फिएस्टा द किंग, जिसका मतलब होता है सेलिब्रेशन फिट फॉर द किंग। मैंने जब बनाई तो लोगों को लगता था ये मिठाई की दुकान बन गई है, ये बहुत खट्टी हो गई है, ये कड़वी हो गई है, तो वो बैलेंस करना इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट। बट नाउ आई हैव मैनेज्ड टू बैलेंस इट एंड नाउ इट गोज़।
मेरा नाम नवनीत कुमार है और मैं ITC होटल्स गुड़गांव से आया हूँ। मैं बहुत ही मध्यवर्गीय परिवार से हूँ, तो मेरे पास होटल मैनेजमेंट करने का उतना फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था मैं। स्पिरिटो दी सैंटियागो ये मेरे ड्रिंक का नाम है एंड इट्स एन स्पेनिश टर्म विच मीन्स अ स्पिरिट फ्रॉम सैंटियागो। बारटेंडिंग मेक्स मी अनटेमेबल।
My name is Roger Gomes. I'm from Mumbai and I work at the Daily Bar in Bandra. The supporting factor in my life has been my mother. When I was making my legacy drink, so I needed something like I could do for the community. So I said, why not create domestic violence awareness by my cocktail? So that is why I named my cocktail The Redemption, which means saving someone or yourself from violence.
I'm Roshan, I'm from Karnataka. I work for a pub called Bootlegger as a bartender. I come up with a legacy drink called Hey Burner, a slang which means a car with poor mileage. It relates to myself.
My name is Anuja. I am from Delhi and I am working in ATM, it's a French restaurant. मेरी लेगेसी ड्रिंक का नाम है सैंटियागो सार। डॉन फुकुंदो बकार्डी ने जो अपनी पहली डिस्टिलरी डाली थी वो सैंटियागो में डाली थी, तो ये ट्रिब्यूट सैंटियागो और डॉन फुकुंदो बकार्डी को है।
My name is Ananya Sharma. I'm from Delhi. I'm working as a bartender with Notes, New Delhi. My cocktail for this competition is Notes.
Gentlemen.
निखिल को आज तक बस टीवी पे ही देखा है कि सिर्फ स्प्लिट्स विला में या रोडीज में। आज पहली बार लाइव देखा तो एक बार से विश्वास नहीं हुआ कि जिंदा निखिल चिन्नप्पा ही खड़े हैं। एक बार तो मन किया जाके पिंच करके देखूं असली वाला ही है ना।
Welcome to the Legacy home at the Bacardi Beach Shack. It's a pleasure to have you here for the first Bacardi Music CD Legacy competition. So how does everybody feel being in Goa? Krishnaz, you're the only girl here amongst 12 boys. How does that feel?
Princess.
Who said that? Guru! As far as I'm concerned, all of you are professionals.
That's right.
It doesn't matter whether you're a girl or a boy.
That's right.
What do you think about that, Krishnaz?
I think you're totally right. Evidently, I'm the only girl on the team. Not at all pressurizing at all. I'm no different from them. We have our same passions, talents, all to showcase it together. So let's see.
The only thing that matters is what you do on this show over the next 6 weeks. And whoever survives, that person will go ahead to represent India at the international finals in Sydney, Australia.
Really great motivation, I can say. It was like, bang, man, we can go do it, you know?
All the best, guys. Shall we go?
लेगेसी होम में एंटर करते ही एक बार से फीलिंग आई कि वाओ यार, व्हाट अ प्लेस।
Okay, so the guys in the competition, there's 13 of them. What are you going to be putting them through?
Today, is the first elimination test, and this is a step, to the next level. So the guys have to understand the seriousness of it. You see, and now it's game on.
Okay, let's call in the contestants.
Dimit is a cocktail king, and वो हर एक minute detail तक जाता है, and then he questions about it and asks things about it. तो वो थोड़ा problematic हो जाता है. So थोड़ा डर तो गया था मैं उसे देख के.
You guys having a good time? Are you relaxed? Yes. So, does everybody already know each other, or have you made new friends here in Goa?
We made new friends.
You do know this is not a classroom, right? Okay, guys. आज आपके कंपटीशन का पहला टास्क होगा, और इस टास्क के बाद आप 13 में से 5 लोग घर जाओगे।
5 जन एक शॉट में एलिमिनेट, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? मैंने सोचा था कि हाँ 2-2, 3-3 करके जाएंगे, लेकिन 5 जन एक बार में एलिमिनेट होना लाइक समथिंग रियली वेरी बिग.
So, do you want to find out what your first task is going to be? Yes! So you have to make your legacy drink. You have 9 minutes to go behind the bar, make 2 legacy drinks.
जो दिल्ली में किया था, यहाँ आके परफॉर्म सेम करना था, लेकिन ये बात पता था कि अब कॉम्पिटिशन टफ होगा.
Okay?
Everybody's got big smiles. I love that. First contestant, lucky number 1. Ashwini, you ready? Yeah. Come on, man. Let's get to it. The time starts now.
So for the legacy cocktail, always choose the simple ingredients, because the ingredients what you can get anywhere in any bar of the world.
Bartending is nothing but entertaining the whole large community by itself. You are standing right in front of all 300 eyes will be just watching you. If I was not nervous there, why am I getting nervous here?
जो दिल्ली में किया था, यहाँ आके परफॉर्म सेम करना था, लेकिन टफ हुआ जब कैमरा सामने है, और ये बात पता था कि अब कॉम्पिटिशन टफ होगा.
The liberated woman could not be bottled anymore. Your cocktail or your drink cannot speak for itself. So it's portraying a part of you into it. It's how you define through your cocktail.
We'll be starting with the French lime juice.
My hands were literally shaking, but at the same time I had it in my mind that you have to perform.
Aromatic sandalwood, which I'm using it with a lovely fragrance of rosemary too.
There we go.
तो मैंने शेक इतना हार्ड किया, जब मैंने देखा खोल के कि मुझे लगा यार कुछ पोर्शन कम सा लग रहा है. मैंने सोचा शायद पाइनएप्पल जूस कम डाल दिया. I'm sorry guys, I forget that you had done little bit pineapple juice in that. I'll try it now, no worries. and to its shake. Sometimes it happens. Don't worry about that because the froth will come definitely.
Right, doesn't matter.
Cheers.
Hope we'll get an opportunity to drink. Unfortunately, it fell down. That was really disappointing for me. And I couldn't, it's emotionally, I said, what the hell?
These things happen.
Yeah, bartenders, yeah, mistake happens in any life. But still, I saved one drink which can shared by many people. So at least I can pleasure with that. I hope.
See, I think that you forgot the beaters. That's why you had them on top and stir them. You know, you put your little drop there and you stir them. See, I think you forgot that.
No, because this time why I don't want to shake it. मैं नहीं चाहता कि डेमी के क्वेश्चंस के और अंदर घुसो और वो मुझे और उसके ऊपर से क्वेश्चंस पे क्वेश्चंस पूछता जाए मैं वो नहीं चाहता था क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि डेमी कैसा क्वेश्चंस पूछता है और कितना डीप हो जाता है जितना वो क्वेश्चंस पूछा उसी हिसाब से मैंने आंसर दिया और उसके क्वेश्चंस को काटते हुए मैं साइड निकल गया.
The amount of pomegranate soda you put here versus there is not the same amount. You're doing well, you see, but you really need to tighten things up.
What do you think of the flavor? What do you think of the drink?
I like it because it's hot here, you see, and it's very refreshing, you know. I like it because it's very refreshing. So how do this? Are you sure this was not used before?
Nope, not.
Great work in presenting, you know, the whole presentation.
Fantastic. I really enjoyed the comfort and the ease with which you work.
मुझे लग ही रहा था कि शायद मैं हूँ अंदर, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे ये भी लग रहा था एक सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ मोमेंट कि कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिस पे जज किया जाता है जो कि कंटेस्टेंट को नहीं बताया जाता है.
I think you forgot an ingredient, you know, which is very important.
Yeah, because I put the pineapple juice in there for the chilling, the fresh one, which
It's
I
not
don't
that
have.
one.
It's that.
It's not that one.
But you can taste it. If the taste of the drink is bad, then I'll accept. Please.
I think you forgot to put the white rum in it.
और वो पार्ट ऐसा था जिसे सुन के मुझे लगा कि मेरा ड्रीम ही टूट गया. मैं बता नहीं सकता कि मेरी उस टाइम पे फीलिंग क्या थी. मुझे लगा कि हाथों से मैंने अपना ड्रीम खुद ही तोड़ लिया.
I think it's a shame.
Sorry guys. From last 5 years, I'm chasing this competition, but I don't know how. You can say overexcited.
जैसा कि आप जानते हो कि आप 13 लोगों में से आज 5 लोग यहीं से वापस घर जाएंगे. Timmy?
Jesh?
I had this thing in my mind. I did not give up my level best. I would not qualify for the next round.
Anu? Kushnaz? Navneet? And Roger. You're safe.
I was like, boo. मतलब we were feeling so relaxed. तब भी लेकिन दिमाग में चल रहा था कि और कौन से 3 हैं जो अभी और हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं.
Ashwini and Jay. It's one of those things that can happen to anybody on any day.
It's happened to the best of the best. You have passion, keep it alive.
Guys, please step to this side.
एक चीज़ सीखने को मिली है, don't lose your focus, don't ever lose your focus.
तो अब 6 लोग बचे हैं। आप में से 3 लोग रुकेंगे और 3 घर जाएंगे। Gentlemen, I'm going to call 3 names. Will those 3 people please step forward? Agam, Ananya, Amit. Unfortunately, your journey ends here. The 3 of you will be going home from this competition.
मेरे लिए ये शो एक बहुत बड़ा लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस था कि क्या चीज़ें कैसे होती हैं, कुछ चीज़ें जो मैं गलत करता हूँ, जैसे मैं टेस्टिंग गलत करता हूँ, मैं शेकर का स्विंग्स गलत करता हूँ। सो मैंने बहुत चीज़ें सीखी हैं।
दुख है कि ये पहला एलिमिनेशन हुआ, एलिमिनेशन के पहले ही राउंड में मैं बाहर हूँ, बट कोई बात नहीं, हर साल होता है, नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर आएंगे और कैमरे से नहीं डरेंगे, ये बात तो पक्की है।
Gentlemen, मैम, आगे क्या होगा ये हम जानते हैं, आप नहीं जानते।
Well done for making it so far. Thank you, sir. And giving each and every one of you, some very good piece of advice based on what you presented tonight. Make sure that you use that wisely. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good night. So let me show you a little trick to impress your friends at home. Take an orange, peel it, trim the orange, get the lighter in front, press. Then just very gently twist it on top. Burnt orange flavor, amazing.
अभी आप सब एक एडवांटेज कंपटीशन में जाओगे।
The Cuba Libre.
Whoever wins this competition will get a significant advantage going forward.
This elimination challenge is also a speed test.
We want to see how quickly you can make your legacy drink.
But very good.
I like.
This challenge here is about speed. You started just a little bit slow.
We're going to take 4 names now in our bottom 4. Unfortunately, your journey ends here.